How to make money passively. My top 5 ways. What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video. And today we're talking about what we're talking about. We are talking about how to make money passively. My top 5 ways. See, there are a ton of ways to make money passively, but I'm only going to touch on 5 favorites that I know you'll be able to make money with. All right? So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, number 1, dividend investing. A lot of people know about stocks and buying stocks, but the problem is what happens when those stocks go down, right? What happens when those stocks go down? You lose money. And if you invested in stocks that pay dividends, though, you tend to not worry about the actual price of the stock, all right? Because you get a quarterly or monthly check from just holding the stock in your portfolio. This is the true definition of just making money passively, okay? Because all you're doing is just buying the stock and letting it sit. That's it, all right? Number 2, build a YouTube channel. All right, now, to make money passively with the YouTube channel is kind of hard nowadays, but it's still doable. You definitely need to be very niche specific and focus on quality and quantity, okay? Long gone are the days when you could just shoot one video a week and get away with it. Nowadays, you need to put in work, but it still can pay you well. You just gotta know what you're doing, okay? Number 3, lending clubs, or AKA peer-to-peer lending. Now, when you become an investor with Lending Club or Prosper, you are simply lending a certain amount of money to other members of the group who need to borrow money. I personally use Prosper.com with all my loans I invest in, but you choose. I do have a couple videos about Prosper.com, so go ahead and check those out. All right, number 4, rental properties. You can literally invest in a rental property and turn it into a hotel of sorts, okay? With sites like Airbnb and HomeAway.com, you don't have to look for tenants if you don't want to, okay? So you don't need to have long-term tenants to make money with your rental properties, all right? All you need to do is just buy a property in a very good location and rent it out to people that are traveling in for sports games, concerts, things like that, okay? So basically you're like a hotel, you know what I mean? But with a little personal neighborhood touch. All right, number 5, build a marketing system. Now, a lot of people tend to market affiliate products but don't understand the power of having an actual marketing system, okay? Because a marketing system in place, you can have it do all the selling and telling for 2 or more affiliate products. That's so you can have multiple streams of income. We call them sales funnels. This helps you create autopilot type of income and without being in 1,000,001 marketing directions, okay? And out of all these ways to create income passively, number 5, building a marketing system, is my favorite, because number 5 gives you the ability to make life-changing income without you having to change your life or invest too much money, all right? I like this income idea so much that I created a sales funnel and made it to where the average person can make a killing just by copying my step-by-step system. All you have to do is click the link below, put your information in, and watch the first video. All right, so there you have it. How to make money passively. My top 5 ways. Until next time, guys, it's your boy DeVaughn signing off for how to make money passively. My top 5 ways. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now now tuned into the greatest.